Essential RC here at ProWing 2023 in Bad Sassendorf in Germany. Travelled out all the way for 3 days of fantastic RC action. I'm here and have been hosted by my good friend Thomas. TomJets, a new really exciting product because Thomas, it's all about laser cut kits for jets, which is not something that anybody else is really doing. And I did a promotional video for you a few months ago. Lots of interest in that and lots of interest at the show. But tell us more about the concept, could you?
Yes, I can. I'm happy that you are here and that I have the possibility to tell you something. Hey guys, my name is Tom from TomJets, and we are a small startup from Austria, Salzburg, and the idea, since we realized a rising demand of building, that people they do like to build on their own again. So they are full from foamies and they are fed up from foamies, so they want to go back to wood. And this is the thing I want to deliver. So
come closer. Milan's on camera. We gave him a little bit of training. But this is the naked kind of version of your...
So if you buy your kit, you get the skeleton, you get the naked ribs. You have the option also to buy the retracts, to buy the covering, and you can choose either between turbines, so there you have the bladder tank, the exhaust, and of course the vector control, or you can decide for the EDF kit. On the EDF side you have also some different mounting.
So 90 size, we're talking about a 90 size EDF, aren't we?
In this case we have a 120.
Oh,
120 millimeters.
Oh, okay. Right. Or the engine is a 45 Newton size.
This one is a 70.
Yeah. So getting it all wrong.
So the thing where you were talking about is, let's switch over to the Interceptor.
Right. Okay.
This is the smaller one. This can be powered by a 90 millimeter jet fan or a turbine from 45.
And the same concept, you get a flat pack laser cut kit. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle.
Oh yeah.
But you have it you've designed it so it's very quick to assemble.
You get a box full of laser plates. You remove the parts. Every part is has his engraving. You have a manual, and then you start puzzling. You have your. Is this English? Puzzling?
No, I think spot on. Spot on. Puzzling. I love that.
Puzzling. And then you start building. You have a healing, and you start building rib 1, rib 2, bam, 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 and then you add your stringers, and then within one evening you have your ready skeleton,
ready to plank.
Ready to plank. So the idea is really to make building from scratch easier and also for non-experienced people make able.
Yeah, to build their own jets.
Oh, yeah.
No, so we've got the two models. The
Interceptor 90.
Yes,
is a classic sports jet.
Classic sport jet, yeah.
With an nice design, with a sporty design.
And down there we've got the Squall, which is kind of a Delta. Really great, because I've had these in the past, really great for high alpha and for thrust vectoring and doing tricks and all that.
It has a complete unique flying style. The nose is always slightly up and it flies like this.
I know, lots of fun.
Yes.
Now what we must also mention is you're partnering with Jet RC for turbines. So Milan's on camera, but what he told me yesterday is you've got turbines of virtually any size from 60 Newton Milan all the way up to what, 220 or slightly above?
300.
300?
Yeah.
What? What do you put? You don't put that in one of those. But that would go in a really big model. So a real range, and he also provides importantly servicing as well. So that's really important when you buy a turbine, that if you need a bearing change after 25 hours of runtime, I know this, I have a lot of turbines, then you need to send it back, but send it back somewhere local. so that you can get that done low cost and efficiently, and that's what Milan can give you from Jet RC. So Thomas, great to meet you, sir.
It was so
After
nice
coming all this way.
Oh yeah.
And I love the concept, and we're going to be showing some of the flying that him and the team have been doing this weekend. And thanks for watching. The link for these TomJets products will be in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up for the price and availability, and I'm sure you might want to buy one and build your own jet. Thomas, thanks again.
Thanks. Nice to meet you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.
There you go. Is that good?
Oh, you are the best man. you are so
slick.
Nah, experienced.
Wow,
Landung.